Little Tom. Oh.
He's settling down. You settle down, Rusty? Because you got too excited. All right, here he goes again.
You have some coffee already?
Oh, yeah.
You want bread?
Bread? Yeah, we're gonna have some.
Or do you want some side up eggs?
Yes, we're having.
Morning sun! Morning sun! Come on!
You don't want to go.
Let's go!
Oh, can't do that, buddy. Can't do that.
Come on, Rusty. Morning sun. I like the morning sun, Rusty. This is healthy. This is very healthy, sunny.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice size.
So guys, pupunta kami sa Mactan New Town kasi magpapapalit kami ng dollar. Magbabayad kasi ako ng gumagawa ng padar namin. 25,000. Para na yan sa isang linggo. Kasi pakyaw kasi ginawa nila. Yung labor lang mga 100,000 pesos and then yung plus yung materials. So magbumotor lang kami ngayon. Ito yung likod ng bahay. Okay na? Pwede mo nakabutan ng money. Ha? Oo, makadala kita Watson yan. Free ito? Ha?
Nalandin niyo ba yung
Ano ba yun?
ada lagi dito.
Oh, dire. I'll manage yung dirt.
At ginaw naman buwan.
Guys, yung museum matatapos na. Wow. Gustong gusto ni Tom dito, Mactan kasi mga walking distance lang yung mga gusto niya. Watson kita. So guys, pupunta kami sa Watson. Oh. Bibili kasi ako ng... Ha? Bibili ka na lang? Oo. Bibili kasi ako ng pang ano tawag na? Pang kuskus sa katawan. Oh. Rusty Balasti. Hey, Rusty.
Paglayo ba? Luwet pa yan ako.
So guys, magpiprito ang kapatid ko ng pork. Ito nakamarinate na pork. And then lutuin ko rin yung chop suey. Ito guys, kahapon namin binili. Ito, para may gulay kami. Ayan. Maganda dito guys, kasi hindi na kailangan gamitan ng ilaw. Kasi maliwanag. Guys, gulay tayo ngayon para healthy. Guys, sibuyas at garlic. Gusto ko kasi ang gulay.
We got chicken.
Pork.
Oh, that's pork? I thought that was for dinner.
There's some left and there for dinner.
Tabasco sauce?
Mactan. Mactan.
So, is it coming here?
Yeah, we're gonna deliver it.
Okay. All right. Look at that salad. That's big.
Shipment has been received at Mactan, Mandawi, Cargo Team.
Okay.
Afternoon.
All right. What's that?
Veggies. Just vegetable.
Veggies and flies. That's for protein. Flies.
Pork. Pork. And then, tingnan natin ang niluluto kong pakbet. Ayan, paluto na rin guys. And then, the was almost ready. So ito guys, ang aming lunch. Pork. Pritong pork. And then, ano to? Pinakbet na maraming gulay. And then, red rice. Yan lang. Lunch is ready! Madala ko siya yung ada. Ada na?
Sugar na
Ayaw.
Forgot your knife?
I don't need a knife.
No.
This one is pichay. Anong English ng pichay? What is this? Did you?
No. No, no.
Half cook.
That's good. All right. You do all the cooking, Evelyn?
The pork.
Okay, you're good.
Oh, snack time for Rusty. Ano ito?
DIY. Pag makuha pa rin nila.
Rusty, snack time.
Kaya hindi naman butang.
Guys, tingnan natin dito yung naggagawa ng pader. Taas na. Oh, wow. Nagano na rin nila, oh. Wow, matatapos na guys. Wow. Tatapos na yung pader. Nasa ano na rin sila, kabilang side. Ah. Ano Doon din sa kabila, busy rin sa pag ano. Ito guys, tingnan nyo yung ano namin. Kaya wala kaming problema ng tubig. Never pa kayo na wala ng tubig, no pa?
Oo.
Laging may tubig?
May tubig.
Oo, kasi laging may stock.
Oo.
Nagaano ka, like, yung paparong mo para
Automatic na yan.
automatic?
Oo.
Ah, so,
Kaya nabawas doon, under yung kuwan.
Yun,
Ito yung motkit.
maganda.
Oo, wala ito kuwan.
Oo, kasi hindi na magbabantay para mapuno yung tangke. Maganda.
Kahit gabi, pagka nabawasan, maandar yan.
So ito pala guys yung pinakabit kong filter. Oh, pinabili ko to sa kapatid ko sa Wilcon, and then may kinuntak lang kaming nag-install dito. Bali 3,000 yung bayad. 3,000 pesos yung bayad pag-install. Yan, at saka yung nandun sa namin sa kitchen, reverse osmosis, yung drinkable water na. Kaya ito guys, pwede itong mainom. Ito guys, pwede itong mainom. Kasi meron kaming filter. Yan. Filter to, reverse osmosis. May makina. Ayan. Kaya ayan, dito na sa sa faucet. Diretso na inom ng tubig. Kaso, ginawa, itim yung nilagay na parang hindi maaroba yung tubig tumagos sa baba. Dapat hindi itim. Itim nilagay, madumil tuloy tingnan. So, ayun guys, aalis din kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa...
Sikat na yun.
Oo, sikat nga sila mama. Oo. So, sila mama guys, papunta sila, bibiyahin na sila ngayon papunta dito kasi nasa summer nga sila dahil namatay yung tita ko, which is yung kapatid ni mama, namatay. So, kailangan niyang pumunta doon. And then, kasi magbubuhol kasi kami, kaya dito muna kami mag-stay. Buhol, muna, dito ng 1 week, and then magbubuhol kami ng 2-3 days, and then babalik dito, and then pupunta na kami sa summer. Guys, aalis kami ng kapatid ko. Bibili lang kami ng zip-head walis para sa kwarto namin, and then para din bumili ng snacks para sa mga workers. Patatas. Sige, mga unong. Andag ko lang. Guys, bibili kami ng pizza. Pizza. Buti lang ngayon. Sakto ito, Haira? Oo. Baga guti man. Ha? Pera man ito. Pila ni? 12. Tulo na ito po sa lahera. Tulo? Tulo era? Upat? Upat? Rusty, nagbabantay. Beware of dogs. Kasi, si Rusty ay matapang. Rusty! Hello, Rusty.
Go, Rusty!
Rusty, Rusty.
Pataga, kumano na siya tumamagi. Hoy!
Aw, ang maupay na lang, upat am na balik. So guys, yung binili namin para sa mga workers, ang yung pizza. Para mo matakto ba din? Dito guys pa lang binili namin sa palengke. Ang palaya, and then potato, patatas para kay Tom. And then ito naman sibuyas. Then cook para sa mga workers. Papa parang gusto mag-cook. Diabetic.
Hindi na si mama lugod man siya puputi na.
Makalat yung bed. Ito guys, dito muna ako sa kwarto kasi ano pa, hindi naman masyadong mainit sa labas. Makulimlim. Siguro medyo mamaya uulan. Nag-e-edit kasi ako ngayon. And then yung kapatid ko pumunta sa Mandawi Foam, pinick up yung in-order ko sa online na sofa cover para dito and then para din sa summer house namin. So guys, kanina. Oh, it's raining right now.
Rain.
Yeah. Just a little rain. So kanina guys, naririnig namin iyak ng pusa. So pumunta kami ni Barin doon, nakita namin maliit na pusa, and then ito pinasok,
Rusty, no.
nilagay namin sa box. Ito yung pinapackage namin, and then nilagay namin sa, oh, so cute, look at that. Oh,
Yes, yes, the baby.
yeah, and we gave him a milk,
want
but
milk.
he don't
He
eat.
wants his mama's milk.
Yeah, his eyes is all black, so he still don't see right now.
He got abandoned. His mama ran away.
Oh, yeah, like just this afternoon. Rusty, don't eat him, okay? Rusty, wag mong kakainin.
No! No, no. Leave the kitten alone. I gotta get you some food, buddy.
Aw. Hello.
So without his mama's milk, he might be doomed.
Aww. Don't you might get,
He's hungry.
be careful, don't get scratched.
From this guy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna scratch anybody. He just wants to
Aw.
eat.
We give him a milk, but he don't drink.
Ah!
Rusty, down.
No,
Stop.
no, no.
Oh, what was this in his skin? Is that bugs?
I don't know. See if Sue. Go on my
Ang buto.
iPad and see if Sue sent me a message back.
What's in his skin?
Got abandoned. Mama left him alone.
Nalalagay namin guys.
Go find out what Sue said.
Okay. So, guys, nag-message ka? No, I'm talking to the guys. Umuulan. So, guys, nag-message si Tom sa sister niya kasi yung kapatid niya, mahilig sila sa pusa. Kaya, nagtanong si Tom kung anong gagawin. Wala pang reply. Mga tulog pa yata. Kasi Kasi nag-message si Tom kung ano ang dapat gawin, anong papakain. Kasi binigyan namin ng milk, hindi uminom, and then hindi rin kumain. Iyak lang ng iyak. No reply yet. It's raining. Ang bilis lang ng building na yan.
Oo, ilang buwan. September lang yan.
September lang daw nag-start. Ngayon, ano na? Katapusan ng January.
January pa lang.
You put that milk in a baby bottle. You don't have a baby bottle, so you can,
Oh, we have... May luma kita pa nga baby bottle.
he's not gonna lick it. He's not gonna lick it. He's not gonna lick the milk. He's gonna lick
Yeah
suck
pa,
it.
luma na. May chance. He has, I think maybe.
Hindi battle of John.
Yeah, an old pa. An luma.
The little one, yeah, if you have one. You want something to eat? No, yeah.
Rusty, no.
buddy, just down.
Rusty.
Down. You can smell
Right.
it. That's enough. No.
Rusty!
That's enough. Sit down.
Sit.
Sit. Come on, buddy.
Rusty!
Yep. No. No. No.
Sweet!
No,
No.
no, no. Okay. I don't know if it'll fit in his mouth. Get a paper towel and soak it. Since he wants to bite, I don't think it's going to fit in his mouth. Soak it in this. I'm not soak it, but just put some. No. Give him something to stick in his mouth.
Parang ano yan, mga 3 araw na yan.
Oh, 3 days?
What's that?
Did you hear 3 days?
3 days?
Yeah, I heard that 3 days.
For mama.
I just noticed earlier.
Yeah, I did too. I said, that's some little kid. All right, let's see if this works. We're going to see if this works now. Pay attention.
Rusty! Sit down.
We found comfort in my husband's underarm.
Comfort is hot. Our body is hot.
Yeah, he
Ah, so they are cold?
Like, oh yeah, he likes warm. He's a kitten. He needs a mommy. They don't usually survive.
Oh. Oh.
Do so. You hear me say mommy?
Oh. My mommy abandoned me. Oh. Oh.
Screaming for food.
Where's my mommy?
Snake the Hunter.
Oh, he doesn't like camera. May pizza pa dito. Ah, ubos na pala. Guys, magluluto ko ngayon ng ang palaya. Lutuin ko ba to ngayon? Kasi si Tom, bali magdadalawang gisa ako. Baka lutuin ko na lang din ngayon guys kasi darating din sila mama mamaya, mga siguro sila darating dito mga 9:30. Ito, and then ito rin potatoes, ano ko lang siya, parang lulutuin ko siya with ito sibuyas kasi gusto nitong potatoes. And then, hindi ko lang alam kung ilang ba ang nito. Mga siguro. Mga 3 lang. Potatoes. Yay! My order from Mandawi Foam. Ano ito? Sofa cover. Ito man doon guys. Inaano pa rin yung pusa. Ano yan? Ano yun? Goat's milk powder. Powder. For
Pareras chupon. So,
drops.
this one na lang.
Drops?
Oo.
Oh, good. That's what she asked.
This one.
What's that?
Drops. They don't have a small bottle,
She has yeah.
but
a
that's
syringe.
drum. This is for our kitten. So ito guys, potatoes, lalagyan ko siya ng onion. Gusto to nito. And then ito naman ang ampalaya. Luto na yata to. At ang aming rice. Mag-iinihaw daw sila guys. Kasi nandun pa yung pork. Naka-marinate na. So guys, ito. Potatoes with onion. Gusto kasi ito nitong maano lang kasi madikit yung kawali kaya hindi masyadong ano. Pero okay lang din. Ito yung ulam namin kanina, ininit ko lang. And then ito naman ang palaya. Niluto ko lang to ngayon. Ito Mel, I don't know if you're gonna like this.
No, if I ever had bitter now.
Yeah, it's bitter.
That's why it's called bitter. No, it's called because it's bitter.
You gotta eat it.
You try it. Yeah, my mommy said you ought to have to try everything. Then you can,
Not a lot. No, no.
yeah, then you can spit it out.
You might not. You might.
So I'm probably not gonna like it. I never eat it when you have it at home, so I'll eat it here. You gotta eat what's in the country.
It's bitter, but it's very healthy.
That's good.
Guys, nauna na lang kami kumain. We're eating first because my husband go to bed early.
We'll be early. I'm not getting up at 2:15. We'll have to eat early on. What time is your dad gonna eat?
You're gonna eat with my mom.
She'll be here? Oh,
They'll be here tonight.
what time?
Probably 9. So how's the bitter melon?
Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna get used to it.
Do you want rice?
Not really. If we got it, I'll eat it, but
Yeah. Mm. So ito guys, ito. Prinito na lang kasi umuulan sa labas. How is it?
good. Yeah, very good. Some more?
Did she eat it?
Rusty's here to protect Archie Rusty. We're trying to feed you. What do you think? You like that? Want some more of that? You want some more of that, you little guy? Want some more?
May dala yung mga ano, karigoon tayo ni.
Oh, you can see them on the white. You can't see them on the black though. They're all over. There's some right there. See them right there? They're scurrying around. You're flea bitten, buddy.
Rusty! Chansoy, hello!
Come on, come on.
Just let it go.
Let him loose. He'll knock that kid down.
Hindi niya anuin si ano no? They're friends.
That's friend. He treats his friend. He jumps on him.
No.
See, he's gonna jump on him. Come on, Rusty.
Sit! Rusty, sit!
He ain't gonna sit.
Hi, Chance! Hi, Chance! Hug si tita. Oh, cute naman ni Chance, Chuy. Oh, hug si tita, dali. Oh, bait naman ni Chance, ah. Chance. Saan ikaw galing, Chance? Ha? Saan ka galing, Chance? Dito na si Mother. Si Mother at saka si Chance. Ah, galing ka Amerika lahat ma?
Amerika.
Ano yan? Taas naman, Chance.
May laglag nga ni ito.
Walang na ikaw, Chance.
Chance, get inside. Oh, remove your slipper. Oy, remove your shoes.
Ay, ma.
Look, ano? Ano ko?
No.
Nakita ano, lagas na.
Oo, mara nito may malan.
Look,
Nagsukapagod siya. Hala.
Wala, Chance. Dito, magmumotor ka mo. Yay.
Hello.
May dapat.
Rusty! Chance, hi.
Jump all over everybody.
Happy naman ni Rusty, oh.
Oh, lumaki ni Rusty. Rusty!
Everybody.
Laki mo na Rusty,
Excited.
oh.
Come on.
Lumaki mo si Rusty. Bigla.
Okay.
You're alright. You're alright. Settle
Big
down.
na si Rusty.
Close na sila nito.
Settle down. Settle down.
Pareha ni Rousey.
Nobody's going anywhere.
Walang siga.
Say hi to
Waray,
Jane.
waray bisan ano.
Di ba grabe doon si Kamagang Ban?
No. Settle down. Settle down, buddy. Settle down. Settle down. You're alright. You're alright.
Sino yan? Hagtata.
Settle down.
Naghag na kanina. Oo.
Settle down.
Oo. Ano mo ito ni Chance? Chance? Ba't ang cute mo, Chance? May pimples ka man, Chance. Ha? Ano yan, Chance?
Here, Chance, say hi to Rusty.
Chance?
Say hi to Rusty. He won't bite you.
Well, they're friends. They're
Say,
Sige, Rusty. Natakot naman ikaw kung Rusty.
say hi to Chance. Real nice, real nice. Be nice. Don't jump on him. Don't jump. You're gonna jump on him. No. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, he gave that to you. He likes you. He loves you, Rusty, if you're nice. If you're nice, he'll be nice.